The President hereby invites the United Nations Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator in Nigeria, Mr. Mohammed Malik Fall.
I'm delighted to participate to this first regular session of the Premier Academy International Model United Nations, jointly organized by the UN Information Center and the Premier Academy, Lube, Abuja. This conference is more than a simulation. It is a vibrant space for dialogue. It is a vibrant space for networking and learning about consensus building, diplomacy, and public speaking. Each delegate contributes in a unique manner in embracing negotiation over confrontation and seeking common ground across culture and across belief. As we embark in this journey together, let us honor the spirit of UN ages by asking not only what kind of world we want to live in, but what kind of world we hope to leave behind. Let us listen with empathy, speak with clarity, and debate with respect. Model UN empowers young peoples to explore solutions to global challenges. I am confident that the resolution adopted by your gathering will offer a meaningful direction forward. Together, with vision and collaboration, we can today turn the challenge we are facing into opportunity for tomorrow. The future is ours, and we can build it. Let's begin with your gathering of today, and thank you so much for your attention.